There's the beast. First things first, you know the vibes. Coolant. How do you know you're pouring the correct amount of coolant? You just keep pouring. You know the fucking vibes. Got the M4 steering wheel. Let's give her a start. That's always a good sign. All I really want to do today is drive the car a little so the battery charges from the alternator. I got the Bavsound Ghost underseat subwoofers.
Wow!
Yeah, just gonna give the stock bass a little run for its money.
Too damn hot. This OG Kush, what I'm smoking, nigga, smoking niggas.
The stock subs are pretty good as they are, so I'm really curious what the hell these Bavsound ones will do. That's not a good sound. I can smell the coolant. It's so dank. It's got the subs installed. Daylight's going out. Got this bad boy right here. You know the vibes. Should theoretically sound a lot better, so let's see. Well, like a bozo, I brought my whole ass toolkit, and I didn't bring the goddamn fucking socket wrenches, man. Gotta go fucking back home. I went home to try and figure out where it was, and it turns out I'm just it was here all along. So back to Canadian Tire. 4 bolts holding in the chair. Gotta take those off. This is righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Look at this dude.
It works. What can I say? It works. Probably should have done the passenger side in case this doesn't go well, so I can actually drive home. But I'm anyway, so fuck it. Holy fuck, my hand's tired. See, this would have been a great time to bring my vacuum and actually clean this shit. It won't go forward.
Don't try to play the fool with me, Nigesh. No, it's very bad.
Porter, this is the max amount of money this car's made me so far. 25 cents. Oh my god, guys. I'm gonna be fucking rich. $1.25. Woo! Oh my god, guys. Another 10 cents. That's $1.35.
Jewish intuition, I'm following cues.
Bow, bow. But then, like, where does this cable even go? See, the issue is, I haven't seen anyone do the V3s, and the V3s have this extra cable on them. Nice. Let's start reinstalling, and then we'll find out. Oh fuck. I broke the screw. No fucking way. Oh fuck, no way that just happened. I'm anyway, so fuck it. The whole thing just snapped. Holy shit. Fuck, man. Ugh, nothing goes right on these cars, man. Well, it works. No rattles that I can see. Fuck it. So now I'm gonna redo everything I did on that side, on the passenger side. But yeah, let's get these coolant bottles out of here first. I'm just gonna quick style show the difference. The BMW original one, I have the Logic 7 in my car, but it's about the same weight. It definitely has better build quality and a lot less plastic on it. Alright, I just put both subs in. Let's give her a little test.
Yeah.
they did say give it 10 hours to break in properly and for the sound to sound crispy. I don't really drive the car, so I don't know how much how I can get 10 hours of playtime. Psych! There's a massive difference. So after about 6-7 hours, I want to say 6-7 hours of driving and using the speakers. At first, honestly, like I didn't really fucking believe the hype when I played it when I first installed it. But after like a certain amount of time, like I've started to notice here and there. At low volumes, it's just crispier, but you can't really tell how much punchier it is. When you really fucking crank that knob, when you tune it up, that shit hits. That shit hits.
Got a sweet Asian chick, she gon' know me.
Mixing up the potion. So fucking good, man. So fucking good. The speakers and the fucking song. Fucking love The Weeknd. XO, baby.
Hey, yo, what the
Pause.
fuck?
Let's go a little rap. You know the vibes.
Metro Boomin want some more, nigga. It ain't rain in my days. Motherfucker.
So much punchier.
Okay, Lamborghini Mercy. Yo, she tryna.
I fucking love the fact that they put the subs under the seat. I don't know what it is. Like, I don't know what the fuck it is. Actually, I do know what the fuck it is. Your whole body shakes. Whoever came up with that, I fucking love you. No homo. Pause. You just feel it a lot more. You feel it on your ass cheeks. Right on there. Like you feel it on like your legs and shit. Like you can kind of feel the wind, the fucking bass. I didn't buy the whole system. That's for later down the road. I got bigger issues, much bigger issues. Not like seriously bigger issues. And 54. Woo!